Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a makeup video which I haven't done in quite a while. So I want to talk to you guys about the Rare Beauty contour. This is the Rare Beauty contour wand and I picked this up from Space NK. I'll show you the shade that I got. This is the shade Mellow. So this is the shade Mellow. It's very, very warm toned and I felt like that would be perfect for my skin tone. Let's try it out. That is the shade. It does look really, really pretty. So I'm just going to pop it where I would normally put my contour. I'm going to start blending it out. Now I have used this before. I've shared it on my TikTok. If you're not following my TikTok, definitely do, because I do a lot more frequent makeup videos like every day. And I just love how easy that is to blend out. I just think that's absolutely unbelievable. Oh, that is so nice. It blends like an absolute dream. You can even pop it like on your nose if you wanted to. It really depends on what kind of look you're going for. I literally just contour here. I just go for this kind of contour, but it kind of gives like a bronzy look as well, which is what I really like. First impressions, properly really looking at it, I absolutely love it and I think it's a great product and I definitely recommend it to you guys. A very, very short video for me. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.